In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Aster coin from AsterDEX. Now, first you have to go to AsterDEX official website and connect your wallet. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment that will take you to the official AsterDEX website. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. As I said, link down below. So to buy Aster coin from AsterDEX, once you're on here, connect your wallet first. Just go up here and connect it. If you don't know how to do it, I have a separate tutorial on my channel on how to actually connect a wallet, so every single wallet you can connect onto Aster. So go watch that first, and after you do that, you'll first have to deposit some capital, so you can go ahead and buy the Aster coin by clicking deposit, and then select your perpetual account, click on whatever chain you want to use, and then whatever token you want to deposit. So I just deposited some USDT because it's the easiest to buy, and whenever you do that, just click on deposit and your money is gonna get on here. After that, just go ahead and click on the spot button over here. And then, of course, if you're new to this, to buy the Aster coin, the easiest way is going to be to just use spot trading. So just go ahead and click transfer, and then just transfer some USDT or whatever you have over. I have some Aster, which I'm going to transfer from my perpetual to my spot account over here. There we go, max transfer. Okay, now I have some Aster over here, as you can see. So I can't actually buy it, but I can sell it because I have it. And if I now sell this Aster token, let's just sell this with the market. There we go. And then let's say you now have some USDT, which is actually probably going to be the case in your case. And then just click on buy. You can do market, limit, or whatever order you want. Type in the amount you want, like let's say 6.24 Aster. Click on buy. And then just like that, you've bought the Aster coin. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.